Brothers and sisters, when that moment of death comes, there's either one of two scenarios that happen. Either dark angels, black angels from hellfire come into the room with a wrapping from hellfire, and they come where your head is, and they say, "Oh, you bad soul, you evil soul, come out to the anger and wrath of Allah." The soul will freak out, and it will hide in every vein and artery in your body. The angel of death will pull the soul out of your body. The hadith says, like a wet piece of wool in the middle of a bush of thorns. Can you imagine that? Ripping every vein and artery and nerve in your body till the soul comes out. It is wrapped in this wrapping from hellfire, and it ascends to the first sky. The inhabitants of the first sky, the angels, they say, "Who does this filthy soul belong to?" And the angels say, "This is the soul of so-and-so." And they ask permission for the soul to ascend to the second sky, but they are denied permission. And they hear a sound from above saying, "Write their book in the lowest levels." And this soul, brothers and sisters, is left to fall from the sky into the grave. On the contrary, may Allah grant us the other scene. When you are about to die, angels from paradise come into the room with white faces, and they say to the soul, "Come out to the pleasure and happiness of Allah." And the soul comes out of the body, the hadith says, like a drop of water out of a pitcher. It is wrapped in this wrapping of Jannah, and a scent from Jannah is put on top of it. And the soul starts to ascend to the first sky. And all the inhabitants, the angels of the first sky say, "Who does this beautiful soul belong to?" And the angels say, "This is the soul of so-and-so, your name, inshallah." And the angels ask permission for the soul to ascend to the second sky, and they are granted permission. The third sky, the fourth sky, all the way up to the seventh sky. And when they reach the seventh sky, they hear a voice that says, "Who does this beautiful soul belong to?" And Allah knows, of course. And the angels say, "This is the soul of so-and-so." And Allah says, "Write their books in the highest level." And the soul ascends back down into the grave, ready for its next journey.